So here is your weekend shop update. That's what we're gonna call it from now on, I guess. If you notice, I'm not wearing my normal work clothes because today is our annual trip to the Bay. So we're leaving for Put-in-Bay here in a little bit. We always go the weekend after Memorial Day. It's like a tradition. This is our 9th year in a row going this weekend. So I shoot these on Saturday, which is today, then I post them on Sunday. So tomorrow I will probably be hungover, so I'm trying to get this knocked out today. Pretty productive week. Didn't get a lot done, but it was productive, meaning one of the projects I'm working on is, this is part of, see all the other pieces over here? I'm making a 12 foot long, almost 4 feet wide, 1.5 inch thick hard maple island for a house in Vermilion. So I've been working on that, making 8-foot boards, 12 foot long. So it's a couple of tricks I've been working on, getting it right. Also over here, if you can see, that is another countertop for another project. That's one of 3 pieces, a big U-shaped countertop. So I got one piece done, that's 95% done, and I got the pieces right here, right there, the pieces for the final section, and actually right here as well. So those are all ready to go. Shipped out some cutting boards this week, got about a dozen more orders for wedding gifts. It's been really productive. A cutting board issue, cutting board delivery. Been doing a lot of milling. I got some charcuterie boards right there that are milled. I got one right there that's milled. I did spend, finally, I got a day, half a day on Thursday. I just turned on the radio, opened the doors up, and then took everything I could, cleaned up, went through 2 full garbage cans full of just every little thing, 3 garbage cans full of off-cut wood for burning. I'm trying not to be such a wood hoarder. So you can see that's just wood I'm sure I'll use someday, but haven't got a chance to use it yet. So I gotta stop doing that because it takes up a lot of space. Made a lumber run this past week, so I have all the material I need for the white oak door for the store at Coleman Vermilion. So I'll probably start that in the next 2 weeks. I'm really looking forward to doing that project. That's gonna be something very cool, I think, to work on. Over in the laser building, we've been doing a lot of work. I mean me, did a lot of Yetis this week. So a lot of engraving of the cups. Everyone wants their summer cup for their cocktails and their patio drinking, so it's good. Got a couple signs I got to finish up for customers, but I put a post on Facebook earlier this week that right now for any big custom woodworking, large projects, tables, countertops, furniture, it's about a 4 to 5 month wait. So I appreciate everyone's patience. If you're willing to wait, the only way to get on that list is we got to get together. We have to come up with the design and then deposit. The only way I'll hold your spot's a deposit. I've learned the rule number 1 is always get a deposit. So I'm still taking orders. I just gotta wait. For cutting boards, I still have cutting boards in stock, different sizes, shapes. So if you need one now, luckily the ones I sold this past week I had in stock. But if you want something custom or something I don't have, it's 3 to 4 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks at least for cutting boards. So if you have a wedding coming up and you want a cutting board, let me know now. That goes with the custom CNC signs. If you want a CNC sign, let me know now. Please don't call me and say, hey, I need it tomorrow. I can do it for you overnight, but it's gonna be expensive. So call me now and get that order in. So that's it. Shop is shut down for the weekend. We are heading to the Put-in-Bay. Wish us luck. So everyone have a great weekend. Bye.